Yeah, good evening, everyone. So I hope you are able to hear me. Okay. So today is our first CAI session, Cloud Application Integration. So as you know, okay. IICS or IDMC. So IDMC is the new name for IICS. Okay, this already we discussed. IDMC is a new name for IICS means Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services. IDMC means Informatica Data Management Cloud. So in IICS, we had only two, CDI plus CAI, Cloud Data Integration, Cloud Application Integration. You are able to hear me correct? Everyone? Are you able to hear me, everyone? Please reply. Yeah. So IICS contains two parts, CDI plus CAI, but IDMC contains CDI, Cloud Data Integration, then CAI, then CDQ, yes please, CDQ, Cloud Data Quality, then CDM, Cloud Data Management, yes please, and also Cloud 360, yes please, and also Cloud Marketplace. So IDMC, they have included more services, CDQ, CDM, okay, Cloud Data Quality, Cloud Data Management, Cloud 360, yes please. Yeah, okay. So 1 second, guys, please wait. Okay, yeah. So in this, to get the job on IICS, these two are enough. These are new concepts. You no need to learn anything in this. You no need to worry about it. Only things you need to learn is CDI and CAI. Okay. Everyone, are you clear, please? Clear about it? What IDMC contains? Informatica Data Management Cloud. Guys, please reply, everyone. Did you understand what I said? Are you clear, please? Okay. So in our training, we completed this already, correct? We completed IDMC CDA with a complex project. Okay. So many of you have already done. If you did not do, if you're unable to do the project, I'll give the entire video. I'll give the entire project video from connections to end. I'll give, as I told yesterday. Now we need to learn IDMC CAI or IICS CAI, Cloud Application Integration. Yes, please. Cloud Application Integration. This is what we are going to see today. Okay, everyone. So I welcome all you people for my CAI training. Okay. Now, so we are learning here what? IDMC CAI, correct? IDMC is a new name for IICS. IDMC is a new name for IICS. So you need not to worry. Yes, please. So IDMC, IICS, both are same. Okay. Now, before learning IDMC, you must know what is a web service. What is a web service? Okay. Or what is application integration? Okay. What is API? Application Program Interface. What is this? Application Program Interface. Yes, guys. What is web service? Or both are almost same. Web service or API almost same. So everyone, we are using APIs. What is application program interface? Anyone knows? Anyone have any idea about API? What is this exactly? What is API? Anyone having any idea, please? What is application program interface? Quickly, do you have any idea? Everyone, guys. Could you please reply? Do you have any idea about API? Are you able to hear me? It helps to connect two applications. Okay. Next, any others knows about API? Do you know about API? Okay, fine. API means the interaction between client and server. The interaction between client and server. Yes, please. For example, we have a client. Okay, this is client. And this is server. This is a client and this is server, for example. Yes, please. So this is client and this is server. Yes, please. From client, we are requesting an information. We are sending a request to from client. We will send a request to server. Yes, please. What is this called? Request. We will send a request to server. Yes, please. What is this? A request. Yes, please. We will send a request. When a client asks a request to server, server will send a response to client. Server will send what? A response to client, please. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, guys? So whatever we are sending, whatever we are asking is called a request. Whatever we got is called a response. Understood? Everyone? A response. Now, how we will send a request to from client to server, how we will send a request and how we will get a response. How we will get a response. This will be done by using APIs. This will be done by using APIs, application program interface. Are you clear, please? Yes, guys. By using a API, we will send a request to server. By using API, yes, please, we will get a response to the client. Understanding, everyone, please? Are you clear, guys? Did you understand what is API means? Okay. I'll show you one best example. Okay. I will show you one best example. See, please. What is API? Please observe. When we go to restaurant, what we will do? We will go to restaurant and we will sit in the dining hall. Correct? We will sit in a hall. Yes, please. Guys, I need the responses. You should be active. You should not be in sleeping mode, please. Everyone able to understand? I am trying to understand in the easiest manner. Okay, so please try to understand. Okay, what is API? Please try to understand. Okay. Suppose we'll go to restaurant. When you go to restaurant, you will go to a hall. There will be chairs and all will be there. You will go to restaurant. And as a waiter will come. Waiter will ask what you require, correct? What waiter will give a menu to you. And you will order through menu, correct? Yes or no? But the pins, so if waiter is not there, for example, think that in a restaurant, waiter is not there. Okay. Then what you will do, you will directly go to the kitchens. If you go to any Udupi style hotels, correct? There will be no waiter. You directly go near to the kitchen and you will get the items what you need, correct? Yes or no, guys? When you have dining, we will do it. But when we have service, that is called self-service. When you don't have dining, that is called self-service. When you have the dining restaurants, what we will do, we will sit on a chair or on the in the hall. Then a waiter will come. You will request the items through waiter, correct? Will you request the items through waiter? Yes or no, please? You will request the items through waiter. So this waiter will go to kitchen He will get the items what you will. That means his response is through items. You will request the menu items and he will give the items to you. So now this waiter is a API. In our case, this waiter is a API. This user is a client. The application is a server. Understood everyone clearly? Are you clear, please? Did you understand in simple terms? Now, so there are many benefits of APIs. So that is integration, innovation, expansion, ease of maintenance. I'll tell you what are those. But how many ways of API? What are the different ways? How to call the APIs or what are the different types of APIs? There are different types, like 4 types we have mainly. SOAP API, REST API, RPC API, WebSocket APIs. SOAP or SOAP API means Simple Object Access Protocol. REST APIs are representational state transfers. RPC means remote procedure calls and WebSockets. But in real time, we will use these two mostly, SOAP APIs and REST APIs. But mainly we will use this one. Mainly we will use REST APIs. Okay? Yes, please. Representation state transfer APIs. Okay, fine. These and all okay. Now, coming to the examples of API. Can you tell me some real-time examples of API? Can you tell me some real-time examples of API? Anyone? Do you know any real-time examples of APIs? Okay, few people are saying make my trip. Okay, good. What is the difference between SOAP and REST? I'll tell. I'll come back. I'll come back. Please wait. So one of the make my trip API. Okay. Yes. Any others? Any other APIs you know? Flipkart. Okay. Next. Zomato API. Amazon API. Yes, correct. But I will say you one example. WhatsApp API. How many people knows about WhatsApp API? Okay. For example, I'll explain what is this. Everyone knows WhatsApp business, correct? Do you know WhatsApp business app? Android app or iOS app. Okay. Application, correct? And they will give web.whatsapp.com. So you people are using web.whatsapp.com, web WhatsApp. Yes, guys, in your laptops. This is for mobile, correct? And this is for laptops. Yes, guys. Now, how many people, suppose I have one number, I have one WhatsApp business, 8105296858. How many web WhatsApp I can open with the same number? How many laptops I can use with the same number? How many laptops? I can use 4 devices. 4 devices. I can use 4 devices at a time. 4 devices with one mobile. Yes, guys. 4 devices with one mobile. Yes, Cricket Live Service is the best example. Yeah, Cricket Live Services also. Okay, crickinfo.com. Yes, please. What are the other cricketing apps? Crickinfo, Cricket, those things. Yes, please. Live Score APIs. Okay, ClickBuzz, correct. Yeah, fine. So from one, see, for example, normally, let's talk about my company, Raj Informatica. Raj Informatica. Yes, please. When you text, when you WhatsApp me, sometimes you will get a message from Karthik, correct? Sometimes you will get a message from Diviraj. Yes, please. Sometimes you will get a WhatsApp message from Karthik. Sometimes you will get Diviraj. Sometimes you will get Anil. Sometimes you will get Navya. Correct. So that means all these 4 people are using single laptop? No. I am giving 4 laptops to them. All are logging through same web WhatsApp. Understood? They are all logged into same web WhatsApp with the same mobile, but 4 different devices. In one of the mobile, this WhatsApp business is there. In the 4 laptops, and normally what I told them, whenever you are send a message to them, whenever you are send a message to my students, you clearly mention in the WhatsApp that, hi, this is Karthik from Rasa team. Hi, this is Divaraj from Rasa team. You are getting that messages? Otherwise, I don't understand, correct? Whether Karthik is sending a reply because they are using the same WhatsApp, different devices. If anybody are doing some mistake, how do I know? I don't know, correct? Yes, guys. This is one disadvantage. What are the disadvantages of web.whatsapp.com? I am telling now. What are the disadvantages of web.whatsapp.com? Okay, disadvantages or limitations. Disadvantages or limitations. Yes, please. One disadvantage is what? If they don't send the name, I will never come to know who is sending what message to whom. Correct? That is why I clearly tell them, I clearly instructed, send it. Okay, fine. My company will grow. I got 10 employees. For example, now I have 5 employees, but still one WhatsApp is less for me. Correct? Now, for example, 10 people, 10 employees are there in my company. So at a time, 10 employees cannot use web.whatsapp.com, correct? At a time, 10 people cannot use because the limitation is 4 only, yes or no? The limitation is 4 only, correct? Also, in web. What are the advantages? Number one, we never know which user is sending the messages. Number two, limited devices, correct? Limited devices, yes or no, please? Yes, guys. Number one, which user is sending, we don't know. Limited devices access. Suppose I want to send bulk WhatsApp messages. Bulk WhatsApp message. I cannot send at a time. At a time, I want to send to 5,000 people a message. Can you send through web.whatsapp.com? Can you send? No, you cannot send. Like this, there are many disadvantages through direct WhatsApp. So what they did, there are few companies who are providing WhatsApp APIs. Okay. There are few companies, WhatsApp API. What are those? Number one, Wati. Now to overcome these disadvantages, few companies came up with WhatsApp APIs. What are the examples of WhatsApp APIs? Examples. Yes, please. Number one, Wati. This is the most used, but price is more. Next, Ultra Message. Not Ultra Message. I'll tell you one more. Wati. Brevo. Yes, please. Do you know any these things? I'll tell you one more. Yeah, Gupshup. Number three, Gupshup. I have contacted these people for my company. I contacted, but I am not using. Okay, those are huge cost. So for my business, it is not suitable. Okay, and one more thing, I'll show you. Ultra messages. Okay, Intercart. Yeah, this also. Number four, Intercart. These are all WhatsApp APIs. What is used? I'll tell you. Intercart. Yes, please. And what else? There is one more was there. Let me see whether I get it or not. One more was there. Yeah, they are all authorized only. Yes, I'll tell you. Yeah, I'm coming to that point. Please wait. Just wait. Yeah, enough. These are enough. For example, these are the leading marketers. Okay, fine. Now what I will do? So server, WhatsApp server will be there, correct? This is WhatsApp server. What is this? This is WhatsApp main server. From WhatsApp is from which company? WhatsApp is from which company? Anyone? Anyone having idea? WhatsApp is from which company? Meta. Facebook. Facebook is renamed as Meta, correct? Facebook has renamed as Meta. Yes, please. It is from Meta company. So they are the main. They are the main. Yes, please. One second, guys. Please be hold. Just wait. Just wait. Please wait. So WhatsApp is mainly from Meta company. Correct. So they are organizing WhatsApp. Yes, please. Now what he will do? So there is a WhatsApp. This is WhatsApp API. Okay. This is WhatsApp API. Yes, please. What is a WhatsApp API? Yes, please. It's a WhatsApp API. What he will do? What he will be having many features. What are the features having? What he will have these many features. What are those? Unlimited users they will give. They will give unlimited users access. Unlimited user access. Yes, please. Unlimited user access. Next, number 2. This one, what? Employee wise. So you no need to worry which employee wise messages. They'll give employee wise, what I can say, interface. Employee wise interface. Yes, please. So all the people, all from my company, one person can use one interface. Okay. And I can easily know who is sending the messages. Number 3. Next, bulk WhatsApp messages. Bulk WhatsApp. You can send bulk WhatsApp messages. Okay. Now, what they will do? What he will pay some amount to WhatsApp, and first they will get the API. They will get the WhatsApp API. WhatsApp will give a what? When I tell here, if you see here, I have told here, correct? In this image, I told you will send a request and you will send a response. How this request will be sent? Through HTTPS request. What is this? HTTPS request. HTTPS request means, what is HTTPS means? It is called a HTTP request, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, correct? Hypertext Transfer Protocol secure. Yes means secure. So by using it, so WhatsApp will have WhatsApp API. WhatsApp will give an access to what he So you pay to me first. So what he will pay? Some money to WhatsApp. WhatsApp will give some whatever they have. Mainly what WhatsApp, what is the use of WhatsApp? You can send and get the messages, correct? What is the use of WhatsApp? You will install an application in the system. Whenever you are having internet access, if somebody has sent a message, you should get it. That is the main, correct? Yes or no, guys? So what they will do? WhatsApp directly contact to WhatsApp. WhatsApp will be having API. They will give one API to. API means what? A link. For example, a link. They will give a link to what? Based on that link, what will develop their own application. Now, I am Raj. I am a business. I am a business user. I am having a business. What business? Whatever the business. Okay, I am having a training institute. Correct. Okay. What I want, I will contact you to what you know. Yes, please. So this is my business. This is a business user. I am a business user. I will contact to Wati. When I contact to Wati, I want to pay to Wati. Wati will pay to WhatsApp. Okay. Now what they will do? They will give Wati application, not WhatsApp application now. They will give Wati application. Understanding? I should uninstall WhatsApp web in my mobile, and I should install Wati application. I should register through Wati application. Yes, please. And they will give a different user interface, but ultimately you will get, normal users will not get. Now you are a student, correct? I have multiple students. You are all the students, correct? You are all the students. What you will do? You will send a message to me, correct? Yes or no, guys? You will send a message through WhatsApp to me. All my students will send a message to me through WhatsApp, normal WhatsApp, correct? By using your whatever you are having WhatsApp business or WhatsApp, you will send a message to me. Now, how this will work? When you send a message, it will go through Wati application to WhatsApp, and finally I will get through Wati application. I'll get your message. You will never know whether I am using Wati or WhatsApp. My users will not know. Okay, but I am using a different application which will be used as a WhatsApp. Okay, so what? Now I have 10 employees. For every employee, Wati will give different links. What, like www.rajinformatica-karthik.wati.com. Okay. Yes, please. Or Rajinformatica 1.1.wati.com. Rajinformatica 2.wati.com. Like this, they'll give 10 interfaces. Like this, what they'll do? They'll give 10 interfaces to me. Yes, please. And I can easily see who are sending messages to whom, because that is a dedicated URL for every employee. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? Did you understand clearly? So now you are from business, this is a business user. This is Raj Informatica. But the students are sending WhatsApp messages. It is going through 3 layers. First, you are sending a message to 8105296858. What I will do? I will ask you to send a message to this number. Correct? This number you are sending just a message, hi. Then what it will do? It will directly go to WhatsApp server. How? Through Wati API. It will go and I will reach it. It will go and I will reach it here. When I send a hi again, it will go and you will reach it. It will go through Wati and you will reach it. Understood, everyone? Okay. Now if you see, I'll show you. Okay. Yes, please. If you see, I'll show you Wati Web WhatsApp API interface. See how a interface looks like. Web WhatsApp interface. Okay. I'll show you. Yeah, you see, please. Say web, this is the APIs. Who will give these APIs? These APIs will be given by WhatsApp. Okay, these and all we are going to like this. We are going to, yes, please, use in our IICS. I'll show you that anyways. But how it look like, please observe. See here. See here, please. This is the link they will give. This is how they will give the link, okay, to my employees, because I paid for what he, okay, it will be like this. Okay. So they are showing these things, JSON formats. Anyway, see here. You see here, please. Yeah. They're showing the APIs. 1 second. I wanted not this. I wanted the interface. Yeah. Intercart. Yeah. Okay. Let's see intercart. Yes, please. Just see. Yes. Yeah. You see, please. You see this. This is not normal WhatsApp. Are you seeing this? Is this normal WhatsApp? Is this normal WhatsApp, guys? No. This is intercart WhatsApp API. You see here, Srishti Agarwal. Srishti Agarwal is an employee. Suppose here Karthik. Karthik is my employee. So he no need to send this is Karthik from Rasa team. Maybe you don't know, but I can, as a business owner, I can easily see who are sending the messages. Okay, they are having broadcast messages like same WhatsApp only, but different interface. Understanding everyone? Are you clear, please? Whatever WhatsApp supports, everything API will support, and extra features it will support. And users will never know whether we are using Wati or WhatsApp or any other web WhatsApp, any other interface. Did you understand, please? Everyone, are you clear? Clear about it? What is an API? Did you understand what is API means? Clearly? Yes, please. So like this, we have for every major business, major business means Swiggy, okay, few applications, there are few applications, few mobile applications, which have all the applications in one application, correct? For example, okay, there is one application. In few applications, we will be having Swiggy we can use in that. We can use Zomato, we can use in this. We can use Paytm. Okay, like this, we can use all applications in one. How they are getting? By using every major business will have their own APIs. Will have their own APIs. Understanding everyone, please? Are you clear? So here, if you see here, do you know WhatsApp application is written in which language? Is developed in which language? WhatsApp web application, we don't know. Nobody knows. We only who did they knows. Maybe they're using Android applications, Android, what is that? Android technology. In that Java technology they are using. Maybe they are using Python technology. Okay, or many languages they may use. This Wati need not to write whatever they have already written. This Wati no need to understand that. Wati no need to understand it. What WhatsApp will give a link, API link. WhatsApp will give an API link to Wati. By using that link, they will integrate WhatsApp in their systems. Whenever a message, okay, whenever a message got to WhatsApp through Wati, yes, please, Wati does not hold the data. It may hold, it may not hold. It's their internal policy. But the main holding is from WhatsApp only, but not Wati. Wati is a middleman here. Okay, only not every data Wati will hold. Okay, so they will be having their norms, how they are how they are agreement with WhatsApp, we don't know. Whether they hold or not hold, it's based on the agreement what he has made with WhatsApp. Yes, please. Understanding? Whether they hold or not, we don't know. That these people know. These people knows. Secured information, they will hold. We don't know all those things. Because we are not, if I am the owner of Wati, then I can know. Yes, guys. Everyone. Meta will send a single API or multiple APIs, single only. Single API. Okay, like that, WhatsApp will give the API link to different companies, Wati, Intercard, different companies. So then what they will do based on this APIs, they will develop their own application with a limited cost. WhatsApp has to maintain WhatsApp server, they are spending too much of cost, correct? Maybe they are giving for free, but whole world is using WhatsApp. Yes or no, please? Correct, guys? Entire world is using WhatsApp. Their servers, the storage systems will be very huge. It will be really huge. And they will be getting, they will be what? They will be spending too much money on this. They'll be spending too much money. Then how they are surviving? Because they are having Facebook also. From that Facebook ads, they are getting more money. Because everyone is using WhatsApp, they're integrating the WhatsApp button. So now see here in rajinformatica.com, did you see the WhatsApp button? In rajinformatica.com, you see the WhatsApp button. How I got this WhatsApp button? Again, WhatsApp API only. We have the WhatsApp API, but it is not the paid one. It's a free one. My website developer has integrated WhatsApp in my website, correct? My website developer, okay, yes, please. He has integrated. Again, it's a what? It's an API. Understanding? Yes, please. So that's how it is. So, but what you should not spend that much money, whatever WhatsApp is spending. What he will give, so what he may take like this. Or he will say per day 5,000 messages you can send, or per day 1,000 messages you can send. When I contact through what is their terms and conditions is per day 1,000 messages, every month 50,000, for example 50,000 per month. If I want to use Wati, it's based on the number of users, number of interfaces. Yes, please. Number of interfaces. Okay. Understanding? Everyone, 1 second. So if I want 5 interfaces, then one kind of cost. 10 interfaces, one kind of cost. 20 interfaces, one kind of cost. So 1,000 messages. In this 50,000 per month, maybe Wati is giving 20,000 per month to WhatsApp, and remaining 30 because of they are maintaining their own interface. Understanding? Everyone, please. For every message, they will normally WhatsApp will take through this APIs. WhatsApp will set every message. Actually, Meta will take every message cost. How many messages are getting, or how many messages are you are replying? How many conversations you are starting? With that, WhatsApp will take the money with Wati. And suppose if they are taking 5 pies per message, for example, 5 or 10 pies, 15 pies per message, 15 pies per message. WhatsApp Meta is taking. Then Wati will take 40 pies from the user. Wati will pay 15 pies to WhatsApp, but we will pay 40 pies to one, and the remaining 25 pies will be because they are running the business. Understanding? Everyone? That's how these APIs will work. Are you clear, please? Everyone? Same thing, Zoom. So in my Raj Informatica, you can see 2 APIs. Anyway, Wati API we are not using. We are directly using WebService. Number 2, Zoom. See, you are connecting through Exhaust, correct? Are you connecting through Exhaust? But in my system, I did not install Exhaust at all. I installed only Zoom. But Exhaust people is having Zoom API. And they are giving extra access. What is actually extra access? Extra security. Correct? If I directly through Zoom, you can easily record, but through extract you cannot record, correct? Yes, guys. How it got extra security? Because extract is having Zoom API. Extract is a trusted business to Zoom. If it is a non-trusted, Zoom will not give. You may think, okay, we are using a non-secured. If it is non-secured, Zoom will not give the access to. Zoom is a multi-billion what business. Zoom, WhatsApp, and all. First, they will verify the user. What user? Whether Wati or a extract, they will verify the users. If they think that that is trusted, then only they will give the API. Otherwise, they will never give the API because they are directly accessing the server, correct? What is directly accessing WhatsApp server, yes or no? By using HTTP link, correct, guys? If what is not trusted, why WhatsApp will take risk? Because WhatsApp reputation will go. Yes or no, guys? Everyone understanding? Are you clear, please? So first, WhatsApp will verify the business. That is why users are safe here. That is why users will not get any problem with their data. Mainly what we should see the users. Whether you are giving correct, whether you are giving correct correct service to users or not. Okay, so you no need to worry. Whatever the APIs it is, that will be trusted, but you should pay for them. Understood, guys? Are you clear? Now I'll give you one more best example. Everyone is having phone pay. Everyone is having phone pay? Yes, guys. Okay, I have phone pay, for example. I have phone pay. Yes, please. Now in my phone pay app, I can get the what balance from HDFC Bank. I can get the balance from ICICI Bank. I can get the balance from SBI Bank. I can get the balance from whatever the bank. Correct? So I have 4 accounts. What are the accounts? I have HDFC. I have ICICI Bank account also. I have SBI also. I have Kotak Mahindra also. Okay. But if I want to go and check the balance, it is very difficult on daily basis, correct? I should log into hdfcbank.com and I should check the balance. Before PhonePe, GP, UPay comes, that is what we are doing. If you think about 2011 or 12, for example, that time no PhonePe, GPA. When I was working in HCL, there was no APIs at all. I have 4 banks. How to check the balance? I should open netbanking.hdfcbank.com, or I should send a message to HDFC, or I should send a message to ICICI to get the balance. But now I have a single integrated application called PhonePe, correct? Through PhonePe, I can get the balance from HDFC, ICICI, SBI, Kotak. How? Because HDFC API, PhonePe is having all these APIs. HDFC is having an API. ICICI Bank is having an API. SBI is having an API. Kotak is having an API. Correct? PhonePe will request these APIs. Do you think PhonePe is not trusted? Is it trusted or not trusted? It is. If this is not trusted, HDFC will not give the access to PhonePe, correct? Through PhonePe, are you directly accessing HDFC system? Yes or no, guys? In a simple terms, you are a user. These are the users. You are getting my point, whatever I am saying, easily. Are you able to understand? So these are all the users, correct? This is a user, this is a user, this is a user, this is a user. Every user is having a PhonePe, correct? Every user is having a PhonePe. Yes or no, please? Every user is having PhonePe, correct? So through PhonePe, they will request from any bank. But PhonePe is giving free access to you, correct? Free. But maybe PhonePe is paying to every bank. We don't know whether paying or not. That is their service agreement. Yes, please. Yes, guys. When you check balance, when you go to PhonePe and check balance, HDFC, open HDFC, then you will get the balance. How? PhonePe is sending a request to HDFC. HDFC is giving a response to PhonePe. Correct? Yes, guys. Everyone. Are you clear, please? Yes, guys. Clear about it? Everyone? In the simple terms, PhonePe, GPay, okay, almost every major business is out there. Everyone are using, right? They will be having APIs. They will design the APIs. Understanding, everyone? Now, what is, okay, you understand, correct? Exactly what is API, correct? Did you understand what is API? Everyone? How PhonePe get profits? How, okay, one person is asking. It is giving a free feature to everyone. Okay. HDFC mobile app also an API? No. HDFC mobile app is not an API. That is from HDFC only. HDFC mobile app is not an API. See, what is API means? Through different application, if you access a server, if you open hdfcbank.com, if you open HDFC Bank application, that is not an API. From PhonePe, you are using HDFC. From GPay, you are using HDFC. So now PhonePe is using API. Correct? Here, PhonePe is using API. You are not using any API, please. You are using HDFC application only. Correct? Yes, guys. Understanding? PhonePe is using API from all the banks. See, what is the use of PhonePe? They are having advertisements in their PhonePe. If you open PhonePe, you will get the advertisements. Every user is in India, at least in India, every user, okay, leave about PhonePe. Now come to Google Pay. Whole world is using Google Pay. PhonePe is for only India, correct? But think about Google Pay. Google Pay is used by throughout the world, all countries. In that, they will promote mutual funds. They will promote insurances. They will promote billings. In PhonePe, you can purchase a mutual fund. You can purchase a insurance. You can pay the bill. These are all you are doing. From that, PhonePe is getting more money. Nowadays, if you recharge with PhonePe, 2 rupees extra they are taking, correct? Platform charges. Yes, guys. So whole country, at least minimum to minimum in whole country, 2 crore people are using. Okay. PhonePe 2 crore people are using. 2 crore people are doing the recharge, for example. Then they will get into 4 crore rupees they will get. Correct? Because of these 2 crore users, they will get 4 crore rupees. Yes or no, please? If they recharge, because platform charge is 2 rupees. 2 crore into 2 rupees, 4 crores. So that is the benefit. Understanding? First, they will give free. And all the people will get, now see, whenever Uber is started in India, you know how much they given offers? Whenever Uber started, they given 600 rupees. 600 rupees worth vouchers they were giving, correct? Did you use that? Everyone, guys, did you use Uber when they started? In maybe 2000, when 2014 or 2013. Yes, please. Geo also. Geo first they given free. Later, when the every user got addict, that means when the user got make use of that, they charge. Uber also same. First, every business will give free, then slowly they will charge, and you cannot avoid it. And they will make us to use first. Uber and Ola, they make that established. That is all marketing tactics. Okay, first they will give free, and whatever the user, suppose user has for 2 years, they given free Uber. For 2 years, almost 2 years, they given free. Maybe they spend some $1 billion. They send $1 million. Okay, for example, they send $10 lakh. Okay, then these $10 lakh will from will what they have done? They have got from the customers with the next years. That's how the big companies will do. Understanding? Are you clear, please? Now, is everything is okay? Now, what we will do in this case? What is the use of IICS in this case? Correct? Okay, boss. You told about what is the platform and what is API, what is the HTTPS request, what is what I'm saying, uh, what is SOAP and REST, whatever. Then what is the use of IICS in this? What we need to do now? Already they are doing everything. What is the use of? Okay. Now, what is use is, for example, let's take COVID. Okay. In 2020 and 2021, we have seen COVID, correct? 2020, 2021. Yes, please. Suppose there are almost 180 countries are there. 180 countries in this world. I'm giving a rough count. I don't know exact count. I forgot. 180 countries are there in this world. Out of these 180 countries, every country is having different COVID cases. Who are maintaining these COVID cases? Who are maintaining? India, how many COVID cases? China, how many COVID cases? Yes, please. WHO. WHO. World Health Organization. World Health Organization, what they have made a restriction for every country. What country will do? From every hospital, they will have a website. India will be having a website. COVID website is there now. In that website, in this website, what what every hospital has done. In this today, we got these many cases. Like that, India has given information to whom? India has given information to WHO. China has given information to WHO. Then US has given the application information to WHO. Okay, fine. Now WHO got full information about COVID. Correct? WHO got full information about COVID. Now, what I want is, as a Informatica developer, I wanted to get some my own reports. I now Accenture, suppose for example, Apollo Hospitals is there. Apollo Hospitals requires some reports. It is doing some survey. Apollo Hospital is doing some survey. So Apollo Hospitals need some business reports, some reports it needs. What? Get the information from WHO, COVID information, and generate the reports. Now, what IICS, as an IICS developer, what I will do? As an IICS developer, okay, IICS, by using IICS CAI, what I will do? I will connect it to WHO API. WHO will give a COVID API. WHO is having an API. Yes, please. COVID API. The name is COVID API. I'll go to COVID API and I will get the data and I will load those into tables. I have Oracle database. In Accenture, okay, who is my client? Apollo Hospitals. Who is my client? Apollo Hospitals, okay? Apollo Hospitals is my client. Yes, guys? What Apollo Hospitals is requested? I'm in Accenture. I'm an IICS developer in Accenture. Yes, guys? Apollo Hospitals need some reports. Then they contacted Accenture. They told that either you take the data or I will get the data. Either Apollo Hospitals will contact to WHO COVID API and they will give the data to, or I will only, as Accenture IICS developer, I will connect to the API and I will get the information and I will load it to table, to target table, source table or target table, whatever. If I get to the source table, I'll do some ETL. Ultimately, I got the records into the Oracle table. This is my Oracle table. Understanding, everyone? Yes, guys? My OLAP, data variation tables. Yes, guys, getting my point? So this is my table. Okay. This is my OLAP. What I got I got 2021 data. 2021 from 2020 January to December 2021 whole year India COVID cases data throughout India, through all states. By using IICS, I got the information. Then whatever the reports they wanted, we already done. We got to the source. This is my source. Okay, through COVID API. Okay, this is COVID API. Yes, please. This is my source. This is my source. Yes, guys. This is my source. This is my target. Source table targeting. By using IICS, what I will do? By using IICS, okay, I got the data. I got the data to source table. Based on the business requirements, I will do transformation in IICS by using CDI. By using CI, what I have done? I got the data from API, correct? By using CDI, you cannot get the data from API. Through IICS CAI, Cloud Application Integration, I got the data to source table. Then, yes, please. Then I got the data in source. I'll do the transformations. I loaded to target, and my reporting people generated the reports. Correct? My reporting people generated the reports. Yes or no, please? And these reports will be used by Apollo hospitals. Clear? You can do with PC. PC will not support application integration. Very limited. Powercenter will support limited application interface, but IICS will support the entire thing. IICS. Okay, you got it, everyone? So here, by using CAI, Cloud Application Integration, we will get the data from APIs. Understanding, everyone? And we will use that data to our business reports. We will get to the OTP, we will transform, and we will load it to target. From the target, reporting people will generate the report that will be used by the business. Clear, guys? Why we need to use CAI here? Okay. How to use now? How you will get the data from WHO? You are saying, I can get the data from WHO. How should I get it? Clearly understanding, guys? Did you understand it clearly, everyone? I am telling it in simple terms. I am telling in very simple terms. Everyone understanding? Clear, please? Please respond. Are you clear, guys? Only three, 4 people are replying. Remaining, are you able to understand? Okay. So, see now, I'll go to Google. And I'll search COVID API. Okay. COVID API. In this, I'll take one. This one. Okay. Every API will have a documentation. Every API, you can see through public. Every API, not only COVID, Zoom API, okay, or WhatsApp API, or Flipkart API, PhonePe API, whatever it is, they will have the documentation. IICS will use the API documentation. How we will get the data to IICS, to the database? Through the API documentation. Understanding, everyone, please? Through API all are URLs, correct? They'll be having URLs. Those URLs are called documentation. How the documentation look like? Please observe. Okay, I'll open this documentation. Now see, please. This is COVID API. Okay, now please observe. What I want now, I want to see the report. Are you seeing get reports? Are you seeing reports here? Scroll down. Just get this. So put it in the Google. Okay, you will get it. In that get, report get. So which date here? Try it out. Try it out. And you give the date 2020 05/01 May YMD. They are giving everything here. See the default last added date YMD year month. And I want where the query search for the country or region. Okay, I want in. I don't want here. USA is fine. I don't want any states. Just US. Okay. Execute. When you execute, in which format you will get the data? What is this format? What is format, guys? Can you tell me what is this format? JSON format. We will get the data to JSON format. Understanding? Everyone, guys? You can download this. See, there is a download button. Now from JSON to table, can you load? Can you load from JSON to table? Oracle? By using which transformation? In CDI? By using which transformation? Hierarchy parser, correct? Hierarchy builder or hierarchy parser actually, correct? Now what I got see now? Date, confirmed cases, deaths, recovered, confirmed difference, deaths difference, recover, last update, active cases, active differences, fertility rate, region US, province Washington. You got all the data. See, did you get it, guys? How I got it? By using a simple request, correct? Request URL. Are you seeing request URL? Is it HTTP request? You send a request by using a form and you got the response. See, response body. Did you get it? Through JSON format. Now, there are two types I told, correct? As I told you, there are two types of requests. There are two types of APIs, correct? There are two types of APIs. Different types of APIs now. Different types of APIs. What are those? Two is enough. Okay. SOAP API, REST API. What is the difference between these? These two are enough. Not required any other. SOAP will send the response in XML format. SOAP will send the response in XML format. Are you clear, please? Yes, guys, only XML format. But REST will send in XML or JSON, whichever you want. The response. Are you clear, please? So that's why we'll mostly use JSON or REST formats. You see here, the response also you can see here. Somewhere here you will see. Are you able to understand? Are you able to clear, guys, whatever I'm saying? Are you clear, please? See here, application JSON. Okay, application JSON. This is the header. Header means schema. In JSON we have schema. XML we have a schema XSD. Correct, guys? Like this we have it. This see? Yes, please. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? I'll show you one more thing. Wait. Yes, guys? Are you clear, please? Suppose I want India. I want the report from India, okay? I want the report from India. Yes, please. How we got the report from India? Please observe. See. Now reports, get. Okay. So here try it out. On which date? On 5th of May. Now, what is the country code of India? ISO code. What is the country code of India? IND. I am thinking that IND. ISO code. Country code means not mobile country code, IND. Okay, I'll remove all this. Yes, please. 200 pages I want. Okay, for example, receive this. See here, we got the data. Did we get the data? In India, ISO name has come India. Yes, please. Confirmed cases on May 2020, 49,400. Deaths are 1693. Recovered are this much. Confirmed differences, death differences, recovered differences. Okay, China, tell me now. What is China ISO code? You try with CHI or CHN. CHI, execute. You don't get it because country code of China is different. Now what I can do, I can get the country codes. I can get the country codes. How can I get it? Click on this region. Here, reports, 1 second. Let me do it again. See, please. First, I can get the country codes. How can I get it? See, please, here. List of region names. List of region names. Okay, try it out. How many? Whatever the pages it is. I want ISO, sort by ascending order, execute. Now you got, see. Aruba is AWI. China, let's see China. ISO code. You can get that also. See, CHR. India, IND. Yes, guys. Like this, first you can get these formats. Later you can search for it. Understanding, everyone? So CHN, correct now? Provisions is also, we can get it. We can get province also. States. Which one I want? India. Okay, I want India. Yes, please. Let it be 20. Name, sort directions, execute. India, Andhra Pradesh. See, province, Andaman Nicobar Islands, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh. We are getting these things also. Yes, please. This is called the API documentation. This is called the API documentation. Now let's go to China. See, get the reports. Try it out. Okay, on 5th of May. Okay, remove this. I don't want any. I want whole country. CHN. Remove this. Remove this. Remove this. Execute. Now let's see. See here. They have less on 25th of May. They have previously, they have more. Maybe they have here in 2019 only it started actually. In 2019, let's take November. Okay, then you will get more maybe. What I do? CHN. Month, date correct. CHN execute. I'm not getting. Maybe date is 2019 December 01. Okay. Yes, please. Yeah, try. Maybe they don't have this 2019 data. They have only 2020 data. 2020 data. Okay. They have only 2020 data. Maybe. Yes, please. Understanding, everyone? On April 30, for example. All right. See now, these are the cases. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? So this is how. So by using IICS, I can get this data to my tables. That is what we are going to discuss from tomorrow. Are you clear, please? Understanding? That is what we will do in real time. We may get this kind of what? This kind of projects. So use some API. They'll give the requirements, use this API. And I need in this format of what? Report. So by using IICS, we should get the API and we should. Now tell me one thing. Why JSON format is popular than XML formats? Why JSON is popular than XML? Anyone knows? What is the difference? JSON and XML? Advanced, okay. Then what? What is the main difference? What is the main difference? See, normally, when you send a request, whenever you get the response, XML, there will be there is a character limitation. Normally, XML file, maximum we will get in 10 lakh word, 10 lakh characters, 10 lakh, 2 lakh characters, or some characters, okay? Normally, how XML file look like? Normally, how XML file look like? See this, look like this. Like this, it look like. Okay, it is having a tags, correct? It is having tags. Main. Yes, please. Like this, we will be having. It will be having slash main. Okay. Then, for example, something we will write like this. Okay. Name. Name. Yes, guys. Name. Suppose my name Raj. Then it close, correct? Slash name. Yes, guys. These are called tags. For every tag, there is a closing tag, correct? Yes, please. For example, marks. Yes, guys. This is XML format. Is this XML format, please? But JSON format, how the JSON format looks like? Just like this, correct? Like this. Like this it will be. Name, colon, Raj. Yes, guys. Marks, colon, in the double quotes 20 or 30, like this, or 100. Correct? So JSON format is most simplified format than XML, and it supports many characters. It will take less space. Yes, guys. JSON format will take less space compared to XML format. Are you clear, please? Everyone understanding? Clear about it? Are you clear, please? One second, please wait. Just a second, guys. One minute, please wait. Just a second. Yeah. Okay. So JSON format is simplified form. Now, to get the responses, you no need to go to directly to the website. And one more thing, you must understand this HTTPS URL. As I told you, the response and request will come from HTTPS, correct? You must understand the URL. See this URL. Let's take this URL. This is the URL it got, correct? We got this URL. Yes or no, please? Do you know what is this URL? And I'll put it in notepad, of course. This is the URL we got. Okay. What is this question mark? And what is this? If you see the question mark, if you see the and symbol, what is this? Do you know? There is a question mark. there is a ampersand symbol. What is this? See, this is divided into number one. The main URL is this, which is the main URL till here. This is the main URL. And whatever the date, ISO, and per page, these are the arguments or parameters or inputs. Understanding? First input, see, date equal to this one, correct? Date equal to this one. Yes or no, please? We are giving the arguments here. Date equal to this. And ISO equal to CHM. ISO equal to CHM. Yes or no, please? And page equal to 20. So when you want to give the arguments, first it should start with question mark. First, it should start with question mark for any URL. If you want to give any argument, question mark. First one, what date equal to? How you know date only? They given in the documentation, correct? Did they give in the documentation? Go to the documentation. See please, date, ISO, Q. They have given the data type also, string, integer. Yes, guys? Understanding? Date equal to, then what? Date is 2020. The format also they given. Did they given the format of date? Here, YMD. Yes, guys? So after the URL, first argument will start with, this is the main URL. If you want to provide the inputs to this URL, you should start with only one input means date equal to 2020-0430. If you want to give one more, then and symbol, shift 7, ampersand symbol, ISO, understanding, equal to CHN. One more, and. Yes, guys? Everyone understanding? Per page equal to 100, 200, 20, 10, or whatever. Clear about it? Are you clear? Did you understand the URL? Everyone, did you understand the URL? Arguments are case sensitive? Maybe yes. Whatever the case they given, you should give the same case. You should give the same case, whatever they given. These are all the arguments. Okay? Understanding? Now, this response can be seen better ways in a tool called Postman tool. By using Postman tool, this is a tool. You can install this tool. You can get the request responses. You can send a request by using Postman tool. You can send a request. You can get a response. Understanding? So this is Postman tool. Are you seeing Postman tool? Just go to Google search. Go to Google. Go to Google. Download Postman tool. Download Postman for Windows. Download this. First one. Okay, Windows 64-bit or 32-bit download and install. And open the Postman tool. Open the Postman tool. There are many features in the Postman tool. Please open the Postman tool. Did it open? This is the Postman tool. Let it open. Postman is not an API. Postman is to, instead of going to their own website, instead of going to COVID API website, you can get from here also. You go to workspaces. Under this plus, okay, or here, if you plus, give a plus, the plus will come here, okay, a plus will come here, something, not this, not API demos, 1 second, new collection, not new collection, here, just a second, somewhere it is there, Let me close this, please wait. Let me close all these steps. Yeah, I closed all this. Just click on plus. Just click on plus. See what are the requests we have. We have get request, post request, put, patch, delete, head options. So suppose you have this URL, correct? We have this URL. You take this URL and put it in the postman tool. Get request it is. When you give the URL, the arguments has come here. See, when I remove, the arguments are going, correct? See, these arguments are gone. See, everyone, key query parameters. Now, when you give the arguments, see, date has come. Next, date has come. If you give entire, you can change it here also. Instead of changing in URL, you can change the date here also. 15, IND. Yes, please, now send. You will get the response here. Did you get the response? In the JSON format, if you want, XML format you need, HTML, text, auto. These many formats you can get it. See, you can give this by directly from Google Chrome. I can give this in Google Chrome. See, I can give this in Google Chrome. You got it in this format. This you will not understand at all, correct? This you may not understand correctly. So either go to that COVID API website and get it, or best is Postman tool. So go to Postman tool and you can change whatever you want here. Easy, correct? The user interface is easy here. Yes or no, guys? Is that correct, please? Postman is not a UPI. It is not a, sorry, it is not a API. It is an interface to API. To get the results, to send the requests, to send a request, API request one way, directly go to their API. Directly they go to their API. Okay? Or get the URL from this website. Okay? And put it in the Postman tool. You will get the results here only, whatever the format you want. Do you need a JSON format, XML format, HTML format? See, XML. You got the XML format? Okay. So like this, you can get it in any format, whatever the format you need. Postman is send and get the requests, responses through any API. Understood? Through any HTTPS link. HTTPS means secured link. This is secured. HTTPS means secured. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? So did you understand? So you can easily say that it is a REST request. REST request or response, because you are getting in a JSON format. If you get in HTML or XML format, sorry, XML, then it is a SOAP request. What is API here? COVID is an API. This is this link. This link is an API server. covid.api.com is by using this API link, we are getting the responses. Understood? We are connecting to COVID API server through this API. API is nothing but a link. API is nothing but a HTTPS link. Are you clear, please? This tool will be used in real time. Yes. Sometimes client will send the link. So get the data from this API and load it to table. They will send a link like this in the real time. So you should go to Postman tool, you get the data and save it and load it to table by using IICS. Understood? Are you clear, please? Getting my point, guys? Did you understand? Everyone? Are you clear? So from tomorrow, we will start this COVID API. How to load to the tables, we'll see. Before that, please watch the video. Yeah, you can install this Postman tool and try this link in Postman tool. Log in with your Gmail ID. Just log in with your Gmail ID. I logged in with the Gmail ID. Log in with your Gmail ID and use it. You can use it. So did you see the video task flows? Did you see the video of task flows? in IICS? Everyone? Task flows, data task, decision task. So if you did not see, please watch it again for tomorrow's class, before tomorrow's class, because mainly we will use task flows in CI. Mainly we will use this task flows in CI. So please watch it again. Okay. Yes, guys. Task flows with decision. Mainly we'll use task flows with decisions and assignment tasks. Decision task, decision step, assignment step, jump step. And these three are mainly we'll use. So please go through that video. I extended the video again. Through 12th, I extended again. So please go through the video. Understood, guys? So did you understand clearly? Did you understand clearly what is API? And what are the examples of API, real-time APIs? And how the API will work, how API is working, and then how the APIs works in real time. Yes, please. And then where we will use these APIs in our CI, IICS CI, and what is XML and SOAP request and REST request. Yes, please. SOAP and REST APIs. Yes, guys, different forms of APIs. And how to understand the URL. Did you understand clearly, please? Did you understand clearly? Yes, guys. So from tomorrow, we'll do in-depth about, we'll do directly tomorrow. We'll start IICS and we'll see. Yes, guys. The formats, AWS is mandatory for CI, not required. Okay, not required, AWS. Only difference is not only format, the storage, mainly the storage. XML will take more storages. JSON will take less storage, because these tags will not be there in JSON. And JSON is the latest format. XML is the old format. XML became legacy now. 5 years back, XML was the new, but now JSON is the new. Okay. XML is legacy. Legacy means, yes, guys. So task flows, you please entirely watch the video of task flows. Better entirely, 2 videos are there. Watch it entirely, please. Better watch it entirely. Then you can easily understand APIs. Okay. Clear, guys? So I hope Swagger file, I'll tell you. What is Swagger file? I'll tell you tomorrow. Okay. Swagger files, we'll use it. We'll see tomorrow. Yes, guys. So I hope everyone, you liked my first session of CI. You got so much of information today, which you never knows. There are many things we don't know, really, in real world. This WhatsApp APIs, did you know previously? Did you know WhatsApp APIs? No. I too don't know, okay? So before starting IICS, I too don't know all these things. Okay, but it will come by learning only. So no need to worry. So we'll start from tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow same time. Please don't miss. If you have any work, please do the work in morning. Don't do in the nights. Okay. Fine, guys. No, from tomorrow exhaust only. From tomorrow exhaust, please. Only today first session. I'll upload in web. I'll upload in what? YouTube. That's why I put it in Zoom. From tomorrow, it will be exhaust only. Okay. Fine, guys. Tomorrow same time, 7:30. Yes, guys. See you tomorrow. I hope you all liked my session. Thank you all, guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you all. We'll see you. So tomorrow we'll have some doubts clearing. Okay, don't worry. Yeah. See you guys. Thank you all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining the session. Thanks, guys. Good night. Good night, everyone.